Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Spanish Town and we are giving you a drone tour of the new towers being built at the Spanish Town Hospital. Now these buildings are moving so quickly. They have reached the height that they're going to be. Now when you compare this construction to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, these contractors seem to be moving much quicker. Cornwall Regional Hospital is taking forever. I think it's over 10 years now, and they're still not finished. And these structures went up in less than a year. So this project is moving very quickly. So we're just going to give you an update on what's happening here. The redevelopment of Spanish Town Hospital is one of the most significant healthcare construction projects currently underway in Jamaica. Valued at approximately $5.5 billion, the project is transforming the country's largest public hospital into a modern medical facility, capable of providing higher quality care to the growing population of St. Catherine and surrounding parishes. The new six-story hospital building will expand the hospital's capacity from 470 to 600 beds and introduce upgraded services, including a larger accident and emergency department, modern operating theaters, an intensive care unit, advanced diagnostic imaging with MRI and CT scanners, outpatient clinics, and electronic health records. The redevelopment will also strengthen specialist services such as oncology, cardiology, and others. Construction has passed the halfway stage and continues under the government's Health System Strengthening Program. Alright guys, that's the latest on the construction. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.